it's Harmony and welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited today because Banggood has sent me another package to review, and they always send me the coolest stuff, and I'm so excited to show you guys. If you have never heard of Banggood.com before, they are basically an online company that sells super affordable products such as squishies, slime, all kind of toys, electronics, clothing, kitchen products, you name it, and they have it. I will be linking all of the products down below. And as a surprise, I will be giving away 2 squishies to one lucky winner as my early Christmas giveaway number 2. So make sure you stay till the end of the video to find out what squishies I picked and how to win. So let's get on with the package. So the first squishy that's in it, oh my gosh, she's so cute. This looks like the eye bloom squishy, but it is a reproduced version and it is so adorable. Look how big it is. This is like way bigger than eye bloom. But here's the squishy. Kind of reminds me of Rudolph. Gosh, it's even rainbow. So cute. And it is a bit dense, but it's still super cute. The bag is really crisp. So let me take it out so you guys can get a better look at it. Whoa, so cool. So here's what the fox or the wolf looks like out of the packaging. And it smells like a regular squishy. Okay, so this next squishy is this panda squishy, and it looks so cute. And I think it's like a cake, but it says Sweet Panda Big Size. Let's see who this is made by. Oh, so it says this is made by Squishy Fun. Squishy Fun. This panda is super cute and looks very surprising. So let's take him out. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. So like the back is like very smooth, and then like, let's give it a squish. Whoa, this is like very soft. I can't believe it. And also it smells like kind of like a light bread scent. Whoa, so this next squishy we have is really big, and this is a bakery, a piece of bread, and let's see, this is made by Next Eric, as you can see right there. It's a bit airy, so I can't really squish it. But here's what it looks like. It is so surprising. Wow. So let's open this up. Oh my goodness. It's so soft. Whoa, it's kind of like a metallic color. Super pretty. And I really love the colors on top. And this kind of smells like a light coconut bread. Oh, so this next squishy is made by Vlampo with this little panda. And so this is like a starfish, and I love the packaging and how they designed that. It's an underwater. And so it says starfish. So let's squish in the packaging first. It's a bit flat, so you can't really see how squishy it is. But once I take it out, you can. So let me take it out. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. And then on the back, it has the licensing. And you can see it. But whoa, this is very surprising. Oh, it's so cute. It has like these like sprinkles on the side. Wow. And it's so soft. And he smells like berries. So this next squishy is like a pink football. And this is made by, so I guess this is just made by Jumbo Squishies. Because like there's no other names on here. So here's the Jumbo football. Oh geez, this is very soft. And the texture feels like an actual real football. It's like a very light bread scent, like very light. Okay guys, so this next squishy, it looks like this taiyaki fish ate this hamster or a hedgehog, I'm not really sure. But it's super cute. So it says steamed dumplings up here, and then right here, super cute because he's a steamed dumpling, like holding steamed dumplings. So let me take it out of the packaging. Oh, this squishy is very soft. So here's what the squishy looks like. Whoa, that's very polarizing. I don't really know what this is, and I'm kind of having a hard time spelling because I'm sick and like, I don't know. I'm not smelling anything. But here's the squishy. So this next squishy is a Lele lung squishy. Or it's made by Lele. So here's what the squishy looks like. It is a bear taking a bubble bath with a little squid on top, and he's so cute. And the packaging even shows like the shower head. The bag is very crisp. And the squid on top is super cute. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. And so like in the bubbles. And then here's the little cute squid on top. And then the bear. And then looks like there's like a scrubber right here. This is very cute. And then the bathtub. This kind of smells like a strong flower scent. It smells good. And so this last squishy is super cute. He's like this little dog with a big nose, and his tongue you can kind of see sticking out. And his head is so big compared to his little body. And it says, "Lovely dog squishy." Look at his hair is even popping out. So let's open it up. Oh, it's so soft. And then his little body. And he smells like one of those normal squishies with the sweet scent of bread. So the next item we got is this set of beads, and what you can do with this is there are some designs that it comes with, and you just put it underneath, and then you copy the design, and then you spray it with some water to let it set. And then once it is done drying, it becomes into this really cool keychain, and you can also add a keychain holder on it, so you can hang it on your backpack or purse. And this is so cute. So here's a short video of how I made this. So the next item I got are these really cool and cute like stick figures that are suction cups. So like they can stick on smooth surfaces, and they can also stick to each other, which is really cool. And I got a red one and a blue one, so I'll just show you guys what you can do with this guy. You can stand him up, or you can like make him look really strong. And then you can like put his head. Whoa. Here, let me show you guys. And then he can like stick to like anything smooth. And they can also stick to each other, which is really cool. You can stick it in like that. Or you can like make them hold hands. But this suction cup's really strong. Whew. Okay guys, so that's all I got from the package, so on to the giveaway. So the two squishies I picked for this giveaway is this hamster being eaten by a fish, and this one's really surprising and it's very cute and funny. And then we got this cute little dog squishy. It's very cute. He's very surprising. And so the rules to the giveaway will be linked down below, and make sure you guys follow them very closely, and one winner will be picked on December 15th. And yes, this is international. So that's it for this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want us to do in the next video. Bye!